Show me again. Close.
Hi guys, today I am practicing and I'm trying to practice hula hoop like my sister so we can both have hula hoops and I can hula hoop at dance. So when I'm practicing I can hula hoop when I'm waiting when she's saying stuff too. So I'm going to
Such a little sister.
That's what I'm practicing. That's my sister. She's hula hooping by her feet. With my leg and my hand at the same time? Yeah. Let me show you my sister, what she can do with it. With that and that.
With the both or just the hula hoop?
Yeah, both. So she's really cool at it.
She looked at my video.
How's she doing, Lindsay?
Oh, wait. I'm not doing that anymore.
That was excellent hula hooping.
Okay.
You were keeping it on there, too.
Go, girl.
Okay.
That's fantastic. I can jog downhill. These are like crazy inventions.
So you can look at her while I'm practicing.
Go the cars first. I need to make the cars back. Okay, Lizzie's gonna practice when I show you the jogging. Okay. Alright, Lizzie's gonna practice while I do my jog.
So you can watch her.
Very good.
You hardly even messed up.
Good job. All right, Lindsay, say goodbye to your YouTube viewers.